Alright, Crypto Millennial here. So today I've got a video for you and it's going to be called Avalanche NFT Onboarding. This is going to be the first part, and basically these set of videos is going to show you exactly what you need to do from start to finish to buy an Avalanche NFT. It's going to be from my perspective, so a UK perspective. We're going to transfer money from my bank account into a cryptocurrency exchange. In this case, we're going to use Coinbase. We're going to buy Avalanche. We're going to send it to our web wallet. The one we're going to use is MetaMask. We're then going to go onto a secondary marketplace and buy our first Avalanche NFT. Throughout the video as well, I'll talk a little bit about the apps we're using and, what the significance of those is at real headline level for someone that's new, to really help you understand exactly what's going on. Because I know a lot of people find it confusing, understandably. They don't know what wallets are. They're worried about getting scammed, clicking on the wrong links. This is just going to show you exactly how to do it. Really simple, and I'm going to just walk you through it step by step, and we're going to buy our first Avalanche NFT. So yeah, just follow along. First of all, what we're going to do is set up our MetaMask wallet. The first thing we need to do then is set up our MetaMask. MetaMask is basically a web-based wallet that allows us to interact with blockchain and Web3 applications. Secondary NFT markets are applications, so we need to be using a MetaMask wallet or another alternative. To set up MetaMask then, you want to make sure you're on the official website. I'll paste it down in the description below, but if you're unsure, you can go on MetaMask's official Twitter and go on it through that way, and then it will bring you to this web page. So when you're on the page, hit download now. I'm using Firefox in this example, so install for Firefox. It works exactly the same for Chrome. Add to Firefox. And now we'll find MetaMask is ready for us to configure. Click on Get Started. New to MetaMask, yes. So if you've got an existing account, you can import your recovery phrase, but because we're doing it fresh, we're going to hit Create a Wallet. Going to agree to that, and we're going to set a password. Tick Terms of Use, create. This next part then on the secret recovery phrase is really, really important, and I can't stress it enough. This is the most important part of the MetaMask setup. So when you create a wallet from fresh, you're going to get a randomly generated 12-word seed phrase. This basically gives anyone access to your account. So it's like a password to your bank account. If someone had a password to your bank account, they could go in, they could access it and send your money however they want. And the same applies to MetaMask. That's why you never share your 12-word seed phrase with anyone. It's really important that you write it down. So I'm going to reveal mine shortly. But you write it down on multiple pieces of paper, store that away safely, so that if there was a problem with your laptop or your computer broke, that wouldn't be an issue, because you could log on with another secure device and enter your 12 words and recover that account. And that's not an issue at all. You can recover it on as many devices as you want, on Chrome, Firefox. It's no problem at all. But the key thing is, that seed phrase gives anyone access to it, and because crypto is decentralized, you take custody of your assets. So if you lose this seed phrase and then you lose access to MetaMask, there's nothing that can be done. So make sure you write it down. It's best to write it on paper, because Google Docs, iNotes, those sort of things can be hacked. So I think the best practice is to write it down, store it in safe locations. When you're ready with your pen and paper, then click here to reveal your seed phrase. Take time to write them down, and then once you've done that, we're going to hit next. You're then going to get this box pop up where you need to verify what you've just written down. So just literally go down one by one and put your seed phrase in. If you've done that correctly, this confirm button will pop up, and then you can finalize setting up your MetaMask. If it doesn't pop up, it means you've written down your seed phrase incorrectly. So what you can do is hit the back button, reveal it again, and just check where you've gone wrong. But in my case, it's all good. So we're going to hit confirm. And then congratulations, you're all set up. So hit all done. And now our MetaMask is set up. The last thing we need to do then on MetaMask is we need to set up Avalanche. The reason why we have to set up Avalanche is because MetaMask was originally created for the Ethereum blockchain. The Avalanche blockchain is different, and MetaMask doesn't come out the box with Avalanche on. So we need to set that up ourselves. So what we do is we click on this drop down here, we hit add a network, then we're going to paste in all the relevant information from a tab that I've got up above. It's official Avalanche documentation, and of course I'll link that in the description below. So what you're going to want to do, click on this and paste it in one by one. So the network name is Avalanche Network. RPC URL is this one. Chain ID is this. Currency symbol is AVAX. And then the block explorer is Snowtrace. So that's all good. Going to hit save, and now we can see we've got the Avalanche network set up here. If we click on the drop down, we only had the Ethereum mainnet before, so now we've got the Avalanche network, and it's popped up here that the network was added successfully. So this is everything we're going to do for MetaMask setup. The next part then is I'm going to send some money into Coinbase. We're going to buy Avalanche, send it to this wallet, and then we're going to go and buy our first NFT. So the exciting bit is still to come.